Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Pinakbet Kapampangan style. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onions, tomatoes, banana pepper, string beans, ladyfinger or okra. We have malungay fruit. We have mushroom stem, giant mushroom stem, pork belly, squash, bitter melon, eggplant, we got garlic, we got shrimp paste. This is already cooked. This is the ginisang bagoong. And we have fish sauce, olive oil, salt and pepper. We're gonna use also some water and pork bouillon on this. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot pan here, let's put olive oil or vegetable oil. It's your choice which one you're gonna use. They're both okay. And let's put onions. Let's give it a minute. Now we'll add garlic. Let's give 30 seconds to cook it. Now we'll add our tomatoes. Okay. Let's give this 2 minutes. Now this is the right time to put our pork. Alright, and then we're gonna start putting the vegetables. We're gonna put the squash. We're gonna do the squash first because this is the hardest among the vegetables that we're gonna cook. So we're gonna put it first. So we're gonna let it cook, half cook only, and then we're gonna add the other vegetables. So let's put a little bit of water and we will saute this for 5 minutes. We'll cover it. Now this is the right time to put our malunggay. Okay. All right. Okay, we'll cover this. Now let's check our vegetables. All right, smells good now. Okay, now we're gonna put shrimp paste. Okay, and then we're gonna mix the shrimp paste. All right. Wow, I can smell so yummy. Now this is the right time to put our ladyfinger or okra. We'll put our string beans. Okay. and mushroom stem. Okay, and we're gonna stir it again. We're gonna cook this for the next 5 minutes. Okay, and add a little of water. Okay, cover it. Now let's check the vegetables. Wow. Now we're gonna put our bitter melon. Our eggplant. And the banana pepper. So we will cook this for the next, I should say, 3 minutes, and should be done. So for now we're gonna mix it. We don't overcook the vegetables. That's why it's not good when the vegetables are overcooked. So 3 minutes for this will be all right. Let's cover this. Let's put some black pepper. I tasted this already, and the saltiness is okay. So this will be good. Let's stir it. All right. Cover it. Here's the finished product. Pinakbet Kapampangan style. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.